Okay.
Let's read this side.
Let's read this side. Go on, you go my other side. There you go. Good morning. We are on the first rest day, even though I still got Kate up like 7:15.
Yeah, what time is it now? 26.
So where are we going?
I don't know, it's a complete surprise.
Doesn't know.
One of the other Disney hotels.
So yes, I've managed to book something and we're able to get there with the Disney hotels because you can get a bus. You can't get a bus straight to another hotel, but you can go to one of the parks where all the other hotels are getting buses sent to and just get on one of their buses so you can use them, they're free. So that's what we're going to do. A nice little morning, and then we're going to go to Walmart after that and buy a couple of gifts, a couple of snacks and stuff, and then a third suitcase we're going to buy as well so that we can spread the weight out across the three of them for when we arrive home. So that's the plan for this morning, so I will show you that.
Your mum would not have let you go to Jedi.
True. Dad wanted to do the kids' Jedi training. I think they stopped that now.
It was a little weird.
What do you mean? That's so rude. Oh, nice. They are very cute. Some more Kate hats. Look at all those Kate hats. Try one on. Try your favourite one on.
It's got a security tag right at the top. So
Oh, right on your thod. Dark. Wow.
It's one of the more expensive.
It looks one of the more expensive ones, doesn't it? I think that's a safe assumption. Damn. I'm pretty sure you get to see animals and stuff. Like, yeah. Pretty sure. Oh. What? I am making my way to the toilet. Should be down there, right? Yeah, I'll be over there.
Oh, yes.
So we are at the surprise. You've seen the footage. We're at Animal Kingdom Wilderness Lodge, which, while you're in the bathroom, I looked up and it's $650 per night if you wanted to stay here. It is pretty mad.
It is amazing.
So it's just a quick pan of where we are. This is like the main lobby, and out there is where they've got animals like on site that you can just like go and look at and stuff as well. And I imagine you can probably see them from some of the rooms depending on where they are. So yeah, so we've just like checked in for the breakfast. So big surprise, it's breakfast. I'm sure you worked that out already. The place is called BOMA. So yeah, it's highly recommended when I was looking up different places. And yeah, it's buffet style.
I thought it might be.
So there's normal stuff, and then there's also like African inspired things as well, which would be quite cool. So I can show you what they are, I will, but if it's busy at part of the food place, then we're just going to plate stuff and then we'll just see if we can remember what it was and how it is. But yeah, it's very highly recommended, so let's see how it is. Okay. What have we got that is African inspired?
The ham and sauce, but I don't know what the sauce is.
Some sort of like honey sauce maybe?
Yeah, and then I think that was
some sort
African
of like
inspired.
Yeah, some sort of quiche with different ingredients. Then you got deviled egg, and then sausage, scrambled egg, but it's got goat cheese and chives, and then a special juice that's like a mixture of orange juice, guava, and passion fruit. And I've pretty much got the same, but then with an omelette as well. So there's a lot of sweet things as well. So this will be the savoury round, and then we'll go over the sweet round. There's a lot of sweet stuff on the record, but yeah, it's very, very nice. Okay, round 2. I've just got the exact same thing. Literally, I'm just trying to do 2 savoury and then a sweet, and then Kate.
I've gone all sweet.
Straight for sweet.
Yeah, waffle.
What have you got?
Chocolate chip pancake, like an
Yep.
apple strudel,
Yep.
cinnamon bun,
Yep.
and then muffins. That one's obviously chocolate chip, and then that one's blueberry.
Blueberry. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
and then I think, I don't know if that's like coconut or something. on top,
Potentially.
but-
Okay. Yeah, I'll be going savoury next time. They had like the yogurt thing with like granola and stuff. So, third one will probably be the last one. Okay, I'm flagging. I didn't finish plate 2. As Kate says, we're pathetic.
Yeah,
We're pathetic.
pretty pathetic.
Just got 2 cupcakes left. I've gone dessert / bagel because I like bagels. But you got like a yogurt parfait, some fruit, a little chocolate chip cupcake. It's probably going to be our last bite. Again, I literally just stopped recording that clip, and then one of the cast members, they call themselves, came over and said because we're on our honeymoon, look, she's given us a freebie, little cupcakes with a sign. It's actually the first freebie like we've been given. Not that I'm complaining, but that's a very, very nice touch. It's very shaded. There we go. Oh, wait. There you go. We are back from Walmart. I did not film it, but if you've ever been to Walmart, it is quite something. It is huge.
Overwhelming.
It is huge. Like usually you just walk down like the end of one aisle and it's got like the listed things, but then that's just like for a section. Like that won't be like, stretching the whole store. There's just like 4 or 5 different sections. So it took a while for us to find what we needed. We got a few things, but we'll show you what we got. It's mainly a couple of gifts and then some chocolate and snacky stuff. Yeah, basically. So yeah, we'll show you what we've got, and I'll show you the room as well, because I probably haven't shown you the room. We just need to check that there's no undies on the floor.
Cut that out. Thank you.
Here we are. Am I going to expose her? Ugh. Oh, it's my undies.
Wow.
Okay. So this is the room. So that's the door.
That's so smart.
Kate has taken some of my undies out of somewhere, and she's put them on the floor. So I'm very insulted. Here we got a little desk area. Got a little fridge, which is a bit noisy. And we got a nice big TV. Then we got the bed. And then we got me. We got the bathroom, which is quite nice. Hang some clothes up. And then through here, you've got the toilet and the shower. And then, well, you need the loo first, don't you?
Yeah.
I don't know. Okay. Let's see what we got. Ah. Okay. What we got? What we got? Go on then.
Oh, I'm done.
Yeah, you're demoing.
So, I mean, that one's probably useless because that was like the box, but we wanted to try some American crisps, which, to be fair, there's quite a few that we have back in the UK.
Top 2.
Top 3.
We have Lay's.
Walkers.
Oh yeah, but they're ridged, aren't they? Oh no, they're not. No, I'm looking at the other ones.
Yeah, and then the bottom 3 are all ones that we haven't had yet.
So we're going to buy 2 massive bags of that and something else, but we thought we've got a lot of like food things to redeem as part of our package, so this was more sensible than buying massive bags.
And then start with
These would be cakes, caramel, M&Ms.
some goldfish.
Goldfish, but Mickey Mouse themed, so one for us, one for my parents, because they give them to my nephew.
Reese couldn't help himself and had to buy Leia a little gift.
Gotta get something for Leia. So there's some ocean whitefish, flavours of shrimp, crab and tuna. She can thank me later. Spatula. If you haven't got one of these with cooking, you're mad. Like, you need like a soft material spatula, and it's a Mickey one. Because I think our kitchen is eventually going to be completely Disney-fied, so might as well start now.
Slowly, yeah. Slowly. We got Lance, like crackers, and they got like a cheese filling.
Yes, so this is another thing my parents wanted for my nephew. They're just, kind of Ritz crackers with like a cheese paste in the middle. They are very nice, but we haven't got anything like that. So we got 2 of them. One for us, one for my parents.
More M&Ms.
So these are my M&Ms, because they're peanut butter M&Ms, which you can't get in the UK, but they are amazing, much better than the peanut M&Ms.
I think you can order them from Amazon and stuff, but it's all like imported in, isn't it? So it's a little bit costly.
I think we paid like £10-15 for like a massive set. It was bigger than that. It was bigger, yeah, worth it, yeah. But I just haven't done it for a while.
Some, oh no. Oh, hold on. Never mind, so I panicked.
So, yeah.
Just normal Hershey Kisses.
Yeah. So that's for your brother.
Then
very
on the back
nice.
you got a recipe, so you can make.
So you can put them on a biscuit, but you don't have to. You can just eat them on their own.
Yeah.
Very nice.
And then this is on to the nieces and nephews.
Nieces and nephews.
So we got our, no, not our eldest. But yeah, probably eldest niece.
Eldest niece, Frozen, Colour Wonder, mess-free colouring.
It's all glittery, so
Yeah.
it should be very fun to get.
Oh, look at that. That looks cool. Yeah. Bang. So she'll like that.
And then our eldest nephew, Oliver.
Yes.
Got him some Star Wars Lego.
I would happily do this myself, but yes, he will enjoy that. My brother and my nephew like doing Lego.
And you played the Lego Star Wars game.
Yes,
so.
he has mastered it.
And then for the younger ones, we bought outfits. So this
very
is for
cute.
Sophia, who is a little princess.
Yeah,
so
that she is.
Got a little Snow White outfit.
Mm-hmm.
And then Max, our youngest, we've got Spider-Man clothes.
They didn't have any of this in my size, otherwise we would be matching.
So it's like a top.
Very
and then
nice.
some matching shorts.
Went too quick. I can't see
sorry.
them. You're meant to be showing them. There we go. Nice. Nice. Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. So yeah, we didn't need to do a big shop, but we wanted to make sure we grabbed them because we were closer to Walmart from where we went for breakfast, so it made sense to go straight from there and then go from there to here.
And to be fair, like with the dining credits and the meal plan that we've done, there's not a whole lot of needs to get so many snacks, so we have kind of like controlled ourselves that way.
Yeah.
Quite a lot of credits to get through.
Yeah, if we didn't have the dining plan, I'd be buying like I said, like bagels and lots of food, but we don't really need lots of food because we not only have we got these credits to exchange for food, but there's a dining like credit card basically that they gave us with like $500 odd that we can just redeem at restaurants. So like tonight we're going to Planet Hollywood and then we can't use the dining plan, but we can use this credit card. So we need to make sure we use everything up so that we don't have anything left over. So we didn't need to buy much from Walmart. So I think we're gonna go around the hotel a bit now. We haven't actually looked at all the different decades of the hotels and stuff.
They've been so busy.
Yeah, so we'll do that and then we're gonna go into Disney Springs. We might go to some of the shops before Planet Hollywood.
Yeah,
We'll
I want to go to the home bit.
Yeah, so we'll look at some of the shops and then Planet Hollywood for dinner. Okay, this is the dining area. So you've got lots of seating. You've got all these different windows with different food. And you got coffees. And then you got soft drinks, which is where we're going. So these cups are like $20 odd, but they're included in our booking. And they're just free refills. So as long as you get one of these cups, you can fill a book as many times as you want, which is pretty cool. And then the food is all mobile order, so you don't have to go up and speak to anyone, which is great. But yeah, we're going to have a walk around the hotel now. Okay, ooh, what's that on my face? Is that a spot? Where's that spot?
It's like a blemish.
It's a blemish, okay. We're just walking into Magic Kingdom now, so how was Planet Hollywood? That's from the last clip,
Food is great.
Very nice burger. Nice atmosphere. And yes, overall very good. It was very hot. I tried to get Gideon's Bakery, which is a very popular cooking place, but the queue was too long.
It's giant.
So it's fireworks time now, Magic Kingdom, so I'll probably leave you with footage of that. So hope you enjoy it, hope you enjoyed the video, and then tomorrow is going to be Universal, so we will see you then. Cheers.
Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us, and when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be.
Ready to begin, let the wonder take hold. I can see that we're meant to follow, diving in with our hearts wide open.
Your destiny lies within you.